Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the file directly into Preview. In Finder, select the document or image and press CMD+O, or right-click and choose Open with right arrow Preview. If Preview didn't open, use Quick Look space to verify the file type, then explicitly select Preview to avoid other apps. Once Preview is open, scan the sidebar for thumbnails and confirm layers or pages are visible. This immediate step puts you into edit mode, so you can annotate, crop, or export without switching tools. Now you edit and annotate. Click the markup toolbar icon or press Shift plus CMD plus A to reveal annotation tools. You can add text boxes, shapes, and a signature. Select a tool, click where you want it, then drag to resize. Use the Style menu to change font, color, line thickness, and opacity for readability. Once done, reorder pages in the sidebar or crop using the rectangular selection and Tools right arrow crop. Make sure to save frequently with CMD plus S to lock and changes. Finish by exporting and validating the result. Choose File right arrow export to pick format, resolution, and enable password protection if needed. Export as PDF preserves pages. Save a duplicate with a descriptive name so your original stays unchanged. If you need a single image, export as PNG or JPEG and set quality. If Preview misbehaves, quit it in Activity Monitor or force quit with Option plus CMD plus ESC, then reopen. If that fails, reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.